Hi all. So today we are going to look at how to create a thermometer chart for data. Let's say I have data in front of me in the form of sales numbers from months January to June, and I also have the respective target numbers. So firstly, I'll select this data, insert, I'll create a 2D column chart. I'll remove the grid lines. Then I'll only select the target, right click, go to format data series, and I'll click on this secondary axis. After that, I'll click on this fill in line. I'll put in no fill and a solid line. So I can see that what is the amount of sales that has been done, which is the filled part, and the empty part represents the part which is not being covered by the sales numbers with respect to target. Further, I can do certain additions to this chart. So I can go to the effects part. Let's say I want to add a shadow and I'll add a glow, right? So this chart is helpful for me to actually understand for which month the gap was the most. So I can see in April, the gap between sales number and target was maximum. I don't need to look at the data. I can gather this information directly from the chart. So this is how we create a simple variation in case of an ordinary chart. In case this video was helpful, please do like it and please do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you guys for your time.